Hi guys, my Spider Guy here. Just gonna do a quick video now of an unknown spider. If you do know what it is, please do tell me, because I ain't got the foggiest. I keep forgetting to put labels on these spiders, and I ain't got a clue what they are. Now this one is being moved out of here into here, so as you can see, it's a lot bigger. Now I've already put a substrate in, which is a mix of cocoa fibre, pardon me, and topsoil. See if we've got a hide for him. Now that one looks a good hide, so I think I'll put that one in there, dig it out a bit so he's got some where to go under. Just down there. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to show you. Right. Yeah, as you can see, I've got the hide in. Now this one's going to be done differently again, because the last one I put the leaf litter in first. This time I'm only going to put a little bit of leaf littering, because I do want to put some moss in this one. So I'm just going to get a little bit of leaf litter, scrunch it up, put some down here. Don't want that twig in. Put some down there. Now I've got no clue how this spider will web this up, or even if it will web it up. I think it will. Right, so that's the leaf litter done. Put that on. Or should I put that on? I suppose I could put that hide in instead, which will probably be better because it's smaller. And it'll give me more room in there. Yeah, change of plan guys. Right, here we go. That's better. What I'll do it right at the back. There, dig it down a bit. Substrate down the sides. Substrate down the side. Now, I do want to try and get that dug down a bit under there. So, that's better. Now I can put some more leaf litter in. Scrunch some more up. I don't want to put too much leaf litter in, because I do want to put a tiny bit of moss in, just at the top on the sides. So what I'll do is, if you just excuse me a minute, while I grab the moss. Right, I'm back. I absolutely love this moss at Lear and Terry. So if you do want some decent moss, Lear and Terry, unusual pets, say perfect, brilliant stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put some down there, around here. There you go. And I'm going to do the same again with this, which is going to just go there like that. Oh, that smell is lovely. So that's going to go there. take that egg, because I don't want that in there. Right, now I'm just going to give the moss a bit of a watering. Then we'll put the water dish in, and we'll put the water dish in on this side where the moss is, and it comes to there. So move that over. Right, put this in. There you go. So I want it damp enough for the moss, but I don't want it too wet that it starts getting boggy. And the spider has got plenty of room to go under there. Now the thing is, will he cooperate or will he do a runner? So what we're going to do is going to unclip this and we'll see if he'll cooperate. Put that there in a minute. Right. Come on then, little fella, let's see if we can get you to go in. Come on in. Come on in. Right. There you go. Come on in. Come on. Come on, put your bum in. There you go. There you go. How's that then, kiddo? Hey? Nice new home. That's it, boys. It's another mystery spider rehoused. So, another one done. So don't forget, thumbs up there, subscribe, and a ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ding-ding-ding, the bell. Having me mad half hour. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Oh, and Coventry show's coming up soon. Hope to see you all there. Come and say hello. Come and grab your key rings, your stickers, all free of charge. So just come over and grab them. Alright, see you soon, guys. Take care. See you soon.